measured and eyeballed the length I needed, the size of the piece I needed, grabbed my scissors and I cut it, or you can rip it off, either or. And then I place the strip of gold foil exactly where I want the gold gilding to be. In this case, I started with the pin stripe up top above the detail, and I used the end of my paintbrush just to make sure that all that gold gilding got right in that crevice. I actually did a pink piece with this gold foil as well. And I'll be sure to add that link in the cards above and also in the description down below so you can go check that out as well. I used the same strip of gold foil as I did for the pinstriping above, because you can reuse these pieces. If you have some gold foil, whether it's just a little piece or a lot left over on one of these strips, you can reuse them and you can even layer it. So I just laid it on the detail, and here I'm using a burnishing sponge, and I'm just rubbing that all on and getting it into all the crevices. I'm also using the other end of my paintbrush to get that gold right into all this detail. And once I have it all rubbed on and in there, check this out. You just pull it off and the gold sticks to whatever the glue was on. So wherever the glue was is where this gold gilding foil is going to stick onto.